Now, let us see one more example on sorting the data. Well, at data source level, we can sort the data also. We'll see when coming to source qualifier, double click on this source qualifier. We will take one more example. This is okay. So double click on source qualifier. Go to ports tab page. Sorry, properties tab page. Here, observe number of sorted ports. The ports are employee number is employee name, job, MGR. These are the order we have. So when you're coming to here, number of sorted ports, when you're selecting this as a one, what is the first column? So based on the employee number, the data will be rearranged. You can come down, then observe here, if I clicking generate, order by clause will be appear. See, order by your employee number. That means we are rearranging the data because we are applying only one column. Instead of one, if I applied with two columns, so first it will be ascending by employee number, after that employee name. So based on these two columns, it will rearrange the data. So anyway, if you want to change the ports, you can change the ports and salary. That means first the order, the sorting is based on department number. Then second, salary. That means first department wise the data will be rearranged, and in this group once again the salary wise the data is rearranged. Apply. Okay. Can come down. We need to check this. Click on generate. See, first department wise, then employee, salary wise. Okay. Apply. Okay. We need to save it. Next. If you want to customize, you can customize. See, for example, the department wise is by default ascending. If you want to descending, then you can provide as a desk. Okay. That is based on your requirement. You can save. So this is customized. So that's the reason come down our first this we need to validate, then to load our fresh data. This we are executing at target database. The structure will be created on the note this one. This one. We are executing. Save it. Validate. Re-execute. Check the data at target database. So department wise, the data is sorted, and that is in ascending order. Because here, observe, we applied a condition. We applied a condition. If you want to remove, you can remove this also. Then come down here, regenerate, okay, apply, okay, save it. Come down session level, validate, re-execute. Before that, we'll execute our target database. So truncate our target table. Now you can see. first 10, 10, 10, 20, 20, 20, 30, 30. In this 10 also, minimum salary to maximum salary, if you want to get, okay, see minimum to maximum. In 20 also, minimum to maximum. In 30 also, minimum to maximum. Correct? So that means this is a major key. The department number is a major key. The salary is a minor key. So like that, within this group, within 10, we can rearrange. Within 20, we can rearrange. Within 30, we can rearrange. That is maybe descending order or ascending order. Okay, so it is a major key, it is a minor key. So based on that, major, minor can take number of columns and you can rearrange the data. So it is a sorting point, sorting of the data at source qualifier level. And one more, we'll see, we can write our own custom SQL queries. We can write our own custom SQL. Observe here, first of records. In my database level, I'm coming to source database. Observe here, select star from EMP. See here we have 14 records. The first of records, if you want to read, we have to write a custom query. Okay, so this is a custom query I'm writing. Observe here, we are writing subquery. First, the entire records will be divided into two parts. Okay, after that, see here we are applying this condition, less than or equal. So less than or equal means first the row number should be less than or equal, means only first of records we can read. So you can copy this and come down here. You can paste into your source database. Check it. Only first of records we will read. First of records, only 7 records. In the same way, if you want to read second of records, this is the query. So we have to minus these records. If you are minusing these records, means the remaining records I can read. So this is the second of records. So I'm copying. You can check your database because this is the custom query. So based on your requirement, you can create your own queries and you can apply it source qualifier. The logic will be implemented. Okay, second of records. So same logic will apply it informatically. Okay. I'm creating a target. I'm creating. Otherwise, in existing also we can. Okay, leave it now. We'll develop a new mapping. So I'm creating a new table in target. So that is MP underscore TGT underscore first of, providing first of. Okay. At here, I don't require some columns. I'm deleting. And this should be in my database level. I'm coming at mapping level. We are creating a mapping. M underscore first of. First of. Here I'm bringing source and bringing target also. First, we need to provide links. Otherwise, the default query we can't give. So I'm providing our tooling. Come down, go to properties tab. The default query, first we have to generate. The default query is selecting some columns from employee table. The same way, here we need to apply this subquery. Okay, this we are copying and we are placing in row filter. Okay, but it should be added to our main query. So come down once again, click on generate SQL. See in where class that is applied. If you want to check, you can check. Copy this entire code. You can check at your database level. See, only first of records detail. Okay, then okay, apply. Okay, then we can save the repository. In the same way, we can do it debug. Go to mapping, debugger, please click on start debugger, click on next, next. Here we need to select the properties, default properties. Next, next, next. This got target data. Next. We can check a target data. Only first of records we can read. Okay. In the same way, if you want to read second of records, okay, just we need to change. What is the query? Observe, come down here. Here we have to select this entire copy and we need to provide. Then here minus operator we have to use. Okay. Copy it. And this we need to check at the database level. The second of records. Okay. Then okay. 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 Save it. So we are doing debugging without creating our session. We can load the data also. That we'll see in our advanced topics. Next, next, next. We'll discuss in advanced topic. Next instance. Observe. From here to here, first of records. From here to here, second of records. That means the predefined SQL queries you can develop as per your requirement, and those you can apply in source qualifier itself. Okay, so this is the class about custom SQL.